Arabic alphabet dhaa and dhaa. First one dhaa, second dhaa. Next learn how to write these letters. First one dhaa, 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 dhaa. Then next dhaa, dhaa. First write dhaa, then put one dot. Dhaa, dhaa. If you want more educational videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.